One of the features that we really liked about the Ford was the keyless entry. When you buy the truck, the dealer gives you a card which has the 5-digit master code on it. So to unlock it, you punch in your 5-digit code. And that unlocks it. To unlock all of the doors, you have to hit the 3-4 button within 5 seconds of entering the code, and it will unlock all the doors. To lock all of the doors, you have to press the 7, 8, and 9, 0 button at the same time, and you don't have to enter the code. So now we've locked all the doors. So I'm gonna go ahead and unlock them again. But on top of having a master code that we'll probably never remember, you actually can program up to 5 individual codes. They all have to be 5 digits, 5 digits long. So if you each had a 5-digit number that you remember better than the other, then we can do that. So right now we're gonna go ahead and program a new code. Take it away, Nick. Tell me what buttons to press.
So you wanna go into settings. I'm going to try to get a little close to the screen here so you can see it. It's a little glary. Vehicle, bottom left. And then scroll all the way to the bottom. Door key code. Now we need to put in the master code, which I'm going to wander away for a second. And then we're going to add a new code. So you put it in, you confirm it, and then it's been added.
You can also erase that code, so
which we're gonna do now.
Which we will do now.
Because having the code 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is a bad idea.
So again, to start, you have to enter the personal key code. And then it asks you if you want to add or erase, so we're going to erase the one that I just did. And then yes, and then it has been erased.
And that's it.
That's it.